Today we will try to understand what is the role of exercise in preventing the heart diseases. So this is very important modality to prevent the heart disease. We have to do a regular exercise to prevent heart strokes or heart diseases. Is this true? Yes, this is true. So we know that the diet and the exercise and lifestyle modification, they play a very crucial and vital role in preventing the heart stroke. How to prevent the heart stroke is a major important topic to have some knowledge, some awareness for everyone. So this is the reason why today I have chosen this topic to put forth some ideas or some guidelines to you all. Many of us do an exercise, but we don't do very scientifically. Even though we claim that we are doing exercise, the result will not be as expected. Reason is, there are certain norms, guidelines to be followed when we are doing an exercise. For example, I'll tell you a simple rules of doing an exercise. One has to do an exercise at least for 150 minutes per week. That means, in a simpler forms, you have to do an exercise 30 minutes a day, 5 days in a week. Let me tell about the walking. People should walk briskly at its own maximum possible pace is important. Not just like that walking, a casual walk doesn't yield anything good. They have to walk for 30 minutes at least. So somebody, let us say, is warming up for 5 minutes, that will not be counted. Afterwards, when they do a peak exercise, that should be sustained for 30 minutes in the form of walk. Somebody wants to do a jogging, probably 15 to 20 minutes of jogging is good enough. So this type of exercise has to be done to get a good result, good benefit. And when we are walking, we have to wear a good, comfortable footwear, more so something like a sport shoe or a canvas shoe where we feel more comfort, not slippers or chappals, or because they don't give much comfort. So best thing is wear good footwear, walk with a good movement of the hands, a full swing of the hands should be there. Full swing of the hands is a mandatory. We should walk with that, and we should walk without talking, without getting diverted, without spending time with the friends or groups, this, that and all. Why I am specifically mentioning this, at least some groups of people, they just go in groups and chit chat in the in between, walk. While walking also they talk with the friends or with family, and they complete an hour or 45 minutes or half an hour and come back. This is not really an ideal exercise that one has to do to prevent the heart diseases. Therefore, we have to gear up, or we have to follow these guidelines to have a good, effective, useful, purposeful walking. That is about the exercise. And some people, they just play tennis. Yes, playing tennis or football or games, they are useful. Running, jogging, they are useful. But important thing is, the population which do all those things are less when compared to the population who are walking. So therefore, in walking, they have to walk in a daylight, they have to walk in a level ground, they have to walk with their own maximum possible pace, they have to walk for at least 5 days in a week, they have to walk at least half an hour per day. So this is very important, and majority of the times people don't maintain all these principles. That is the reason we are lacking the benefit out of our walking. So we have to follow this. Then another important thing in the walking is how long we should walk, in the sense how many days we should walk. This should be a daily habit. This should be for a lifetime habit. It's a very, very, very important thing. It will not give results in one day or 1 year. It has to be a daily routine. Then only we get a good results. Then, related with this, can we walk even after a heart attack? For a walking, yes, probably we can walk slowly at home or within the house premises, even immediately after the stroke, like after 1 week also. But the usual walking should be started only after 6 weeks of time after the heart attack or heart stroke. We have to resume our activities in a full swing, like regular walking or going to regular activities should be only after 6 weeks. This is a very important timeline that should be remembered. But probably for some people, suppose some officer is there who has to go for an office, just a sedentary work, going to the office, probably spending a few hours and come back, probably they may resume office depending upon their heart status, depending upon the advice given by their own consultant in a given scenario, they can resume even after a week sometimes, yes. So sedentary work, yes, can be resumed, but a routine, a regular, strenuous, normal activity has to be resumed only after 6 weeks to have a better outcome, a better future about the heart health. So that is the reason we appeal to all of you that when you are doing an exercise, which is an important activity to prevent the heart attacks or the heart strokes or the coronary artery disease, we have to walk very systematically with a lot of discipline. Therefore, by doing all these things, we can prevent heart attacks at least to the larger extent, if not to the zero level. Namaste.